Today we are celebrating Concrete Pipe Week, which is set up by ACPA. So what we've done is invited up to 150 customers on site to our Beaver Dam location, kind of to put them in a perspective of showing them what concrete pipe is, how manufacturing concrete pipe is more of a manufacturing process, a widget-based assembly, and just to put a name with a face. Too many times we're in the hustle and bustle of the business, and it's all about numbers, and sometimes we like to take a moment of time, break bread with each other, and understand who we're working with and who they're working with.
We're going to tour the place in an open house and show what quality products they make here in Beaver Dam, and it's a fantastic operation. Had the opportunity to be here this last year and got kind of the Reader's Digest version of what goes on here, but truly an impressive operation, and folks in Ohio County and Beaver Dam should be proud.
Oh, ICAST is great. Been great for the community. The number of jobs that they have for our community. The product that they make, I mean, goes everywhere. It goes all over Kentucky. Quality product, quality people running this company.
Today, holistically, we're trying to understand, does our customers have any need improvements that we need to focus on that we don't know about? Or do they have any pain points? ICAST is a entity, Infrastructure Precast, is proud because we're not typically in the precast or logistics industry. We're in solving customer problem industry.